Welcome to AutoBuzz TV, your destination for in-depth coverage of advanced military technology, strategic weapons, and global defense updates. Today, we're diving into the LGM-35A Sentinel missile, one of the United States' newest and most strategic nuclear-capable weapons. Stay with us as we explore its features, capabilities, and the role it plays in modern defense strategy. The LGM-35A Sentinel missile is part of the United States Air Force's effort to modernize its intercontinental ballistic missile systems. It is designed to replace the older Minuteman III ICBM, which has been in service for decades. This modernization is crucial to ensure the reliability, safety, and effectiveness of the U.S. nuclear deterrent in the 21st century. The Sentinel represents a combination of proven technology and modern enhancements aimed at keeping the missile force robust and credible. One of the most important features of the LGM-35A Sentinel is its solid fuel propulsion system. Solid fuel allows for rapid deployment and storage over long periods without the need for constant maintenance. This readiness is a key factor for strategic deterrence, as it ensures that the missile can be launched quickly if required. Compared to older liquid-fueled systems, solid-fuel missiles like the Sentinel are safer, more stable, and easier to handle. The missile is designed for intercontinental range, capable of reaching targets thousands of kilometers away. This capability ensures that it can provide strategic deterrence globally, rather than just regionally. The LGM-35A Sentinel's range allows the United States to maintain a credible nuclear triad, which consists of land-based ICBMs, submarine-launched ballistic missiles, and strategic bombers. Each component of this triad reinforces the others, creating a deterrent that is difficult for any potential adversary to defeat. Accuracy is another defining characteristic of the Sentinel missile. Modern guidance systems, including advanced navigation and targeting technologies, allow for precise delivery of its payload. This precision reduces the number of missiles required to achieve mission objectives and ensures that the missile can effectively deter potential threats. High accuracy also supports strategic stability by minimizing the risk of collateral damage or unintended escalation. The Sentinel missile is housed in a network of hardened silos, designed to survive potential attacks and ensure retaliatory capability. These silos provide physical protection and enhance the survivability of the missile in case of a nuclear or conventional strike. The combination of mobility, readiness, and hardened storage ensures that the LGM-35A Sentinel is a credible and reliable element of U.S. strategic defense. From a strategic perspective, the Sentinel plays a crucial role in deterrence. By maintaining a modern, capable, and survivable missile force, the United States discourages potential adversaries from considering any nuclear aggression. Deterrence works not by using weapons, but by convincing opponents that any attack would be met with an overwhelming response. In this context, the Sentinel strengthens global security by contributing to a stable balance of power. Technologically, the missile reflects decades of research and development. It incorporates lessons learned from previous generations of ICBMs while integrating modern safety, guidance, and propulsion systems. The modernization program also emphasizes reliability, maintainability, and adaptability, ensuring that the missile remains effective for decades to come. The LGM-35A Sentinel is also a symbol of continued investment in strategic defense infrastructure. It demonstrates the importance of sustaining advanced weapons programs to maintain national security. The missile complements other components of the U.S. defense strategy, including advanced surveillance, early warning systems, and other military technologies. Together, these systems create a networked approach to deterrence that is highly resilient and adaptive. In addition to its military significance, the Sentinel missile program highlights the broader context of international security. Maintaining a credible nuclear deterrent helps prevent conflict by making the cost of aggression unacceptably high. At the same time, modernization programs like this are closely monitored by other nations, influencing global arms control discussions and strategic stability. Understanding these dynamics helps viewers appreciate why advanced missile programs remain a priority for major powers. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this deep dive into the LGM-35A Sentinel missile informative, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AutoBuzz TV for more detailed coverage of missiles, military technology, and defense systems from around the world. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which missile or defense system you want us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on AutoBuzz TV.